I really like these shrink solder connectors. Put them on the wires and put the wires in them, hit them with a heat gun. The plastic melts down and grasps the wires. You keep heating, and after everything's shrunk, the solder joint right here melts and solders the wires together. These are some examples I did when I was showing people. There's a single and a single and a single with a double, a single with a triple. And today I did something differently when I was doing the speedometer and tachometer on this bike. I did butt connectors, and I'll show you what how to do a butt connector with these shrinks. Let's take this blue. It'll hold 3 wires very nicely. And just for grins, I shortened it. Okay, you don't have to, but I just did that like that. Okay. I think that'll. Let's see if no, green one won't do it. So you take the 3 wires, strip them off, hold them same length, like so. Twist them a little bit so they just make a nice pointy bird type thing. There you go. Into yonder connector like so, all the way down to the solder area. So the wires are in the solder area, and the shrink is around the wires. Okay? Now we're going to warm it up with the heater. Watch the plastic shrink. Go up here, watch that shrink. Watch the solder, and there it is, melting right now. The solder's melting, holding the wires together, soldering the wires together. Then, once you're done, I just take this, squeeze the end like so, and you've made a nice butt connector. And if you want to be super neat, you can just trim that a little bit. Like so. So you've got a nice butt connector that's soldered, shrink wrapped, and waterproof, weatherproof, and tight as a drum. Okay? Just another example to play with. I just think they're really neat. I think they're really neat. So anyway, that was fun.